Thank you, Brian. And thank you, Des Moines, for having us here as part of the GIA. Thank you, everybody online, for being here as well. We are a Detroit-based program and technology management company. What does this mean? In essence, we help insurance companies earn new premium in the new economy by creating new distribution channels. Let me ask you this. We all have bucket risks. We have all bucket lists. There are gaps in our insurance coverages that do not combine to cover these bucket list activities that we want to participate in. If I was to take you skydiving and ask you to jump off the plane with me, but remind you that for the next 9 minutes, the moment you jumped off, you would not be covered by any insurance coverages you have. Think about that. Everything you've built, protected, goes away. Well, this is where Risho steps in. Risho can deliver a platform and a program, and all you have to do is swipe right, similar to what you do when you order an Uber, Lyft, or an Airbnb. These gaps exist, everyday life activities that we do not realize and expect to have covered. But when we have unexpected injuries, we realize that our deductibles do not cover these, and we end up pulling it out of our pockets. This is again where Risho can come in and help you protect your deductibles. The sharing economy has changed the way technology is viewed. The Ubers, Lyfts, and the Airbnbs of the world have allowed us to become part of a shared economy where they have delivered solutions and services that are smart, on-demand, and simple, satisfying a customer wish list. Our risk transfer activities from the insurance companies have not caught up with this yet. The product parameters are typically very simple. They're time-bound, they're capped with the risk, and have a fixed payout, eventually delivering a peace of mind to the consumer. This is what Risho does. It allows us, with our insurance partners, to deliver a peace of mind, very simple, on demand, and satisfies the customer's experience. Our technology is an app-based distribution model that utilizes algorithms that learn over time to create a pricing model. We utilize the web and app again to create underwriting setups and can go out and glean the risk profiles from various social media activities for that risk. Utilizing the IoT technologies today, as well as the smartphones that we all carry, we can manage this risk through geolocation and geofencing. We can let you know how those risks are going to increase or decrease, and you can adjust your pricing accordingly, something that does not happen today. We can also then allow the consumer to pick up their phone and give us the incident report and make the payouts pretty much instantly. These are not new technologies. They have been available for a while. They just haven't been implemented in the insurance business. This is what we do. As part of the sharing economy, one of the hardest topics or markets is the multimodal transportation industry. We have an autonomous car outside that we could all be looking at today or tomorrow. This is part of that multimodal transportation industry. With the risk transfers not being available, one of the places we started with as an application for our platform in this multimodal segment is bike sharing. Now, we've all seen them. The bigger cities are implementing them. And here in Des Moines, we have 50,000 rides occurring annually. If you did not know that, I would encourage you to go there and utilize this service. Globally, this is a big market, but in America, our projections show that there are 700 million minutes of activity annually and will grow to about 1 billion minutes of activity by 2020. What does this mean? New revenue. Unlike traditional car insurances, where we transfer the risk because of our insurance programs when we rent the cars, this does not happen in this industry right now, or in this segment of the industry. This leaves the consumer unprotected and with 100% of the risk. Hits their deductibles, hits their credit cards. They do not expect it. The risk in this market, being in the insurance business, is a third of traditional biking. That's interesting because then the pricing can be automated. It's low cost for everybody. With technology that we have, and with our studies, we project 700 units lost every year for the next 4 years, which means that while you earn upwards of $10 to $15 million, you would lose roughly $330,000. That's a value proposition hard to deliver as a company for anybody. We want to deliver this with our insurance partners. I'm happy to say we also have a pilot application. Our first application is 5% of the current market in the US. We'll be managing, with a subset of our technologies, 3,000 bikes with a projected riding with experience of about 2,000 rides a day, earning a premium of $500, which we can share with our insurance partners. Annually, just this pilot would generate approximately $200,000 and lose less than $10,000. That's $500 per incident on an E&S coverage. We can expand this exponentially by introducing other distribution or other programs through the same platform. And we are working with certain partners on that. Really, Risho, all it's doing is giving you coverage, claim, and renewal experience through the phone or any other smart device that is part of the platform. We utilize AI, blockchain, and machine learning to capture the data, manage the risk, and adjust our pricing models. This is being delivered by a team which has an average of 15 years of experience in insurance, risk, finance, and legal. In addition, we have strategic partners at the University of Michigan because we are from the Detroit area. However, being part of the GIA, we had the opportunity to have some great mentors, some of them on the screen here, that we'd love to thank. We also like to thank our investors with the GIA. I will leave you with this. Activities are done daily. We have a model that's really a business to consumer. And we are enabling this using technologies available today. We have programs in the anvil that include recreational sports, supply chain, and autonomous cars. Come talk to us to create the partnerships with you, to give you access to new revenue, new distribution, new premiums. In the end, help us help you make money. Thank you.